Okay, let's get it, y'all. Let's get it, y'all. It is time to see how this man got 17 felonies in life. Oh, man, in no time. This is insane. Let's watch it.
On August 4th, 2025, officers stopped a speeding vehicle, unaware it would soon lead to 10 felony charges.
What's up, man?
I'm really trying to piss.
Where you headed to? Home? Where you stay at? You still stay out in Chicago, you said? Yeah. Okay. Here, do me a favor. Come out with me. You can piss on the side of the road here. What? Yeah, go ahead, piss it. Yeah, you can piss next to my car, so you're not on camera.
I'm sorry. Did that roll up?
Oh, here, I'll take that, actually. I'll give this back to you. You got no weapons?
That's kind of cool for the cop to tell him he can do that.
Okay. You can, yeah, so piss at my back door, but don't open it because I have a dog. Or if you want to piss in the woods here, whatever you want. If you want to piss on, yeah, piss over there. When you're done, come up to my window.
Yeah, I'm going home, man. It's my birthday.
Feel better?
Yeah,
when's your birthday?
August the 6th.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't speeding, man. You know that, right? 65, bro. I thought I was...
You were doing 65. Either way, you're not gonna get any tickets.
Oh, I was gonna say I didn't know. No.
You were cooking,
this
and then I got
weird.
behind you, which is when you moved over.
Because I thought you was gonna turn your lights on to get the guy in front of me. That's what I actually thought.
Yeah,
But I had to piss though, too. So I was kind of like, man, if I pull over, I can't piss in front of the cop.
Where'd you say you're coming from, man?
I'm coming from 13 East.
What took you out there?
Yeah, I was working for the Irish Pub Fest.
Oh, you were working out there.
Yeah, I just did a venue with, my auntie works there, so I sell water for her.
Okay.
So I make a lot of I might make like $400 a day.
Okay.
And it's my birthday, I need this money, man.
$400 a day just on water.
So you gonna give me a ticket for speeding?
No, you ain't getting no tickets. Hey, bro, you got anything illegal in the vehicle?
No, I don't.
No weed?
Yo, this is so weird. Why is the cop in the car while he's standing outside of the car? In the car, damn near. And he's asking, this is so, I've never seen nothing like this before.
My job.
Any cocaine?
Nah, man.
Heroin?
Man, I'm 53 years old. I'm gonna have a birthday, man. I don't want no trouble, man.
I was asking. Can I search your car?
Nah, man. Why?
I don't know, man. 53 with cornrows? I don't know, bruh. 53 with cornrows, I'ma be suspicious. I'm just saying. 53 with cornrows, I'm going to be suspicious.
I haven't done anything.
I'm just asking.
No, I haven't done anything. I know my rights. I'm not denying you or anything, but no.
All right.
No. I do got a fifth of Remy that is not open.
You got a what? A fifth of Remy?
Remy is not open.
Okay.
So, no, it's my birthday. I got clothes everywhere, all type of shit.
Okay.
I got some water I stole from my job.
Oh,
so no,
why you had to say, you's a stupid motherfucker.
I don't have anything illegal, though.
Okay.
But thanks for asking.
Yeah.
And
Now you...
push the camera over. I don't have anything illegal, but I said no, he can't search the car because I said no. Because I don't want my rights violated. I've been to prison and all that shit. I know what to do already. I don't want
You
no
talking
smoke.
too much.
What you go to prison for?
You talk too
I went
much.
to prison for robbery and shit.
Talk too much.
Yeah?
Talk
With a gun or what?
No, actually, I was the driver.
Talk too much.
How long did you do?
7 years, 3.5.
Where at? DOC or?
Yeah, how you know?
No, I'm just asking because you're from
It showed up, didn't it?
I'm done doing your warning.
Yo, how was he able to have all his access?
Like when? Like what year?
I don't know. You've been arrested for other stuff, Joe?
Man,
You did 7 years for robbery?
I did attempted armed robbery.
Oh, shit.
Then I did I had a cocaine possession in like 92. Yeah, I'm grown now, bro.
Yeah.
I ain't no kid no more. I don't do that shit.
You used to hang out with
Don't say
gang
that.
man?
Man, why are you cussing me about my
I'm
kids?
just asking.
You saw the tattoo,
No, I
man.
didn't actually.
I'm 53, man. I'm old as hell, man. I ain't got time for that shit.
Yeah, all right.
All right, bro. Can I run my dog around your car?
No.
Oh.
I I haven't done anything, bro. Can you leave me alone? I'm going home.
Yeah, I'm just asking.
I just want to shit.
So here's the thing. I think you're lying to me about not having some. I think you have some illegal in the car.
Here, I'll give you what I got.
What do you got?
Wait. He's allowing him to go back to the car? I was about to say, what the fuck is going on? What kind of traffic stop is this? I've never seen a traffic stop like this in my life. Ever.
Damn, man.
I just don't.
I'll give you
don't
what I
like
got.
people reaching in there without, you know what I mean, without me seeing. Because
Hey,
what
do you
if
know-
you reach in there and grab a pistol? You know what I'm saying?
Hell no.
Why haven't you put him?
Damn, bro, you smell like weed.
Nah.
That had to be a car going bad.
No.
I don't smoke.
As soon as you open that thing, I smelled it.
Weed?
Yeah.
I don't smoke weed. That's bullshit. I don't smoke none of that.
What
shit.
the hell did he
I don't
just
do
do?
nothing. See, that was the car,
Be
bro.
real, be honest with me. You got something else in there?
Nah, bro. Hey,
Yes.
please let me go and shit, please.
Be honest with me.
Damn, man, honest with you. What do you want me to say?
You
I don't
said
believe
this
him.
was new.
I don't
You
believe
asked me
him.
about this too.
No, I bought it yesterday, bro. I don't know when I'm drinking. I'm just drinking.
No, I feel you. I feel you. I just need you to be honest with me.
I don't got nothing, bro.
I'm gonna search the car.
For what? I haven't done anything.
Well, when you open the door of that glove box, it smells like
You
weed.
do? No, it didn't.
Okay, so
I'm gonna open the door for you.
he didn't smell the weed when he was in the window when he got the paperwork from him in the beginning? You didn't smell that at all? I'm just curious because he didn't open the door but that long, but your head was damn near in this man's window like how his is in yours. So I'm so confused of how you saying I don't know. I guess.
It doesn't
I guess.
smell like
And you were
weed.
on that
I'll
side.
roll I'll do
You
it
were
for
on that
you.
side.
You don't smell no weed in there. You don't smell no weed in there. This is a new car and it's a non-smoking car. Why the f would I smoke it?
I'm just telling you, when you opened it,
I smelled it too. I thought it was you though.
I
thought
Why
it
would
was-
I have weed?
I don't know.
What is
It's
going
in
on
the
here?
air, but I already know what it was. It was a car ride.
Okay. All right.
For sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I just because I don't want no trouble.
Ain't gonna be no trouble. Here, just send my passenger seat.
Yo, this cop is too nice.
Trouble, bro.
This cop
What
is
you
too
got in the
damn.
car, bro?
It's too nice.
I don't got nothing in the car.
This gonna get him hurt.
No, can I shit, please?
You gonna shit out here?
I'm gonna try to if you give me some tissue. I don't want to
I don't
shit
have
on
no
myself.
tissue.
I got some.
No, here, just send my car
Wait.
real quick.
What is going on here?
Can you get a white shirt out here or something?
Yeah. I got something coming.
I ain't gonna make it.
You ain't gonna make it your shit
No,
out here? Do what you gotta do, bro.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, no.
There's no fucking way. There's no way. There's no way. He's not shitting on the side of the road to try to get out of this. I've never seen no shit literally no shit like this in my life.
What is happening? That's all I got. Out here.
Even the cop had to
Do
say
what
what's
you gotta
happening.
do, bro.
So,
What is happening?
you allowing it to happen? This is like your wacky day, and it's on camera.
He can't get you.
Why you giving me a hard time, though? Did I do something?
And you putting him in the front seat.
I've been respectful. I've been nice to you. You know what I mean?
Well, why are you asking me?
You can take that.
Why are you asking me to search the car? I told you I don't smoke.
Oh, I forgot the dog in the
You
back
don't
seat.
smell
I
anything?
forgot.
Right. So here's the thing.
My bad,
Again,
y'all.
You lied to me about that little fifth. You said it was brand new. That's just half
Well,
gone.
I didn't know. I forgot.
I don't know what
was
else you're
drinking.
lying to me, you know, about. You know
About
what
a pint of a drink?
I mean? I'm just saying. If you were honest with me about that.
Oh, shit.
No, it's in there.
Bro,
It's in the back seat on
wait,
The
what?
fifth, I just remembered.
The other one? All right.
Yeah, I gave you the wrong one. Bro, I don't lie.
I just feel like you're lying to me about having something in the car.
Why do you feel that way? What have I done? Because I'm black?
No.
Oh, don't play that
I
card,
have
bro.
encounters with black people.
Don't play
all the
that
time.
card.
No,
Don't
I
play
don't.
that card,
And I
man.
got, look, this is the real thing. The real reason. I got to be back at 12 o'clock, bro. I need
What
that
time is it?
money.
He
It's
come
like 11 o'clock.
You ain't got no dope in there?
Why you
No,
keep saying dope, bro?
No guns?
Why the f would I have a gun?
I don't know.
Oh, I know what it is.
Yeah, so
I said
why
you
would I
wanna
have a
search
gun?
My car. That's why you want to search.
No.
What's your
Again,
probable cause?
once again, I just told you that open right there. When you open the door,
I
it
gave
smells
it
like
to
weed.
you. It didn't smell like weed. I opened it twice, bro.
You said.
Come on, bro. I opened it twice, man. I don't want my car to get searched because I have shit in there that I don't want you to take. I got a straight razor that I shave with. Bro. But why would you want to search the car and I haven't done anything? It's no, you don't even have probable cause to search the car. You're trying to trip me up, so you hot dogging. You hot dogging me right now.
Hot dogging
because you're trying to ask me
I never heard
to search
that.
the car
Hot
for
dogging
something.
me.
And I just told you I don't have anything. I gave you my driver's license. I gave you my information. I told you where I was coming from. I told you where I was going. I gave you the little sip of the half a pint. Yeah. So what the f have I did? I haven't violated any laws. I just got one thing to say to you.
What's that?
Why would you do me on my birthday? It's my birthday.
Oh my God, bro! Shut up!
That's the white shirt?
Here it comes with the sympathy.
So just stand by with him real quick. No, you can sit
sympathize with me, man. This is my birthday. Why would you do this on my birthday?
Okay.
Because I told you I haven't done anything.
I told you.
You don't have any reason. You making me
No,
feel
bro. I didn't even notice.
Ain't no fucking way. I didn't notice he got beads. He's 53 years old with cornrows and beads. I don't believe shit you saying. You made horrible appearance decisions, my nigga. You got a full I don't know. Just Jim Jones' brother. I'm just saying.
Well, can I watch you search my car? Yeah, I don't want you to put anything in my car.
You can't watch them search the car, idiot.
And we'll go from there. There's nothing in there. You'll be on your way.
This is so weird, man. So there's other cars and they let him sit in the front seat.
I didn't lock the door.
I'm just saying because you didn't want to give me the key. I'm just saying.
There. I haven't even done anything, bro.
All right. What do you got here?
Oh, he was driving with no seatbelt. Oh, big pile of money.
Right under the money.
Oh, what was that?
Right under the money. Looks like
Scale? Oh, scale.
Residue.
Hey, that's my money from my job now. He's violating my law. I haven't done anything. No speeding ticket or anything. I haven't did shit. All I did was pulled over to let him go by. I haven't done anything else. He's gonna find my drink on the floor.
One more time?
He's gonna find that drink on the floor.
Would you have some more Remy?
Yeah, but it's my birthday.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
In the shoe. Multiple baggies.
Ooh, crack.
Told you I didn't have anything. What?
Come on, bro.
Bro, you know that's not my shit.
Oh my God. You got to be fucking kidding me.
The name in the shoes and everything, bro.
Bro, you just told him exactly where it was, dumbass. You just told him exactly where they found it at, and he didn't even put. You stupid.
Sir,
you told him yourself.
What's up?
You're a fucking
Can you go
idiot.
to the car and see if you smell weed?
Oh my God.
I don't
Forget
need to.
the weed.
It's his deal.
Forget the
I take care
weed,
of
sir.
you.
You're cooked. You're cocaine, just like what they found.
Oh, there's the gun.
He got the blicky in there too.
Loaded magazine.
With the Taurus G2, what's the Taurus G23 or G2C? I can't tell. Probably the G23. Because I don't think the G2C got the white writing on it.
I'm gonna have to bond out. Can you grab my money?
I'm gonna have to
There's no bond in the
Ain't no bonding out.
Can
You
still grab my
done.
money and everything, please?
Yeah.
What you find?
Bro, you about to spend the rest of your days in prison.
In the gym shoes?
Huh?
In those gym shoes, right?
Hold on. Let me see Miranda.
Can I call him and tell him?
Call who?
The person who shoes those.
Yo.
Let him know what the
Now you trying to make it seem like. Now you trying to snitch right there. Let me call the person like it's a fucking. You acting like it's somebody it's the shoes. It's what's in the shoes, dummy. You are of this.
Despicable old man.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Is your camera on?
Yeah.
You ain't had no reason to pull me over. I was not speeding or anything. You
It
already
ain't
told
gonna
me
stop
that. Because I
nothing.
said you couldn't search my car. You violate my
It ain't gonna
Fifth
stop
Amendment
nothing.
and due process and search your car and you find something.
Okay.
Is that fair to the law to me?
You still
Because
going to
I told
jail.
you couldn't search my car. I have a right to tell you can't search my car.
Okay.
I can't
you
search your, but I said you couldn't search my car. You violated my right and searched the car anyway. Why? I haven't done anything.
That'll play out in court.
No, but why though?
Like he said, that'll play out in court. He's correct, but it also will play out in court.
It's a fucking gun in there for real.
Oh my, you got kidding, bro.
What the f, man? Man, Tino, your ass out. I'm snitching.
Tino, you done. Tino, he snitching. He don't give a damn. He says my birthday. I got caught with everything. I'm telling on somebody else I'm coming home. You's a despicable piece of shit.
I am so telling on you, man.
Damn.
I knew I should have shook that car.
The man was charged with armed habitual criminal, armed violence, unlawful possession of a controlled substance with intent to deliver, methamphetamine delivery, cocaine possession, methamphetamine possession, 2 counts of unlawful use or possession of a weapon by a felon, possession of a firearm without a valid FOID, and aggravated unlawful use of a weapon. Officers recovered approximately 35 grams of crack cocaine and 85 grams of methamphetamine during the investigation, and the firearm seized was later determined to be linked to a crime that occurred in Chicago in April 2025. Records also showed that he has a lengthy criminal history dating back to 1990. After further investigation, the case was expanded through indictment from an initial 10 felonies to a total of 17 felony charges. The case remains in the pretrial stage with no pleas entered, and the defendant is currently being held under a pretrial detention order with no sentencing issued at this time.
Yo, let me tell y'all something. This was a big dumb idiot right here. This was a complete. He thought he was above the law because he think, oh, because I didn't give you consent, that he just could get away with everything. Even if they showed you, hey, I still go through this motherfucker. I would still go through this car and find what I need just to get you behind bars, just so you can fight this. You're 53 years old. If you do, which I'm sure you are, going to get convicted of all of this stuff, bro, you ain't coming home no time soon. You literally might die in that prison or in that jail. You're 53, getting caught with meth, crack, and a gun that was used in a crime somewhere else the year before, whatever the case may be. Yo, you done, dumbass. You got to be the most stupidest, cleatest looking ass. And then you automatically say it on the yo, I'm snitching on blase. You ain't got no loyalty and you ain't got no integrity. You ain't got nothing. You can't even take your own charge and roll with it. Bro, you done. You so smart, you stupid. These idiot savants. Man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell. This is off the wall one right here, man. I ain't never see it. Matter of fact, before I finish, yo, y'all see the access that they gave him? They gave him so much access to the point where he was rolling up and down the window freely. I've never seen anybody in a cop car be able to roll a window up and down and ask them questions. And yo, they gave this man a lot of freedom, bro. It was other cars that they could have put him in. I'm just saying, I've seen it happen. Anyway, make sure y'all do this, because if not, you make sure you on